Alright, guys, welcome back to the channel. So, today we are going through our pre market analysis. Today is the 27th of May 2025. So, guys, let's go through it. Today's not really an easy day for trading, actually. It's really I'm really in doubt because, there are a lot of possible opportunities, and especially the bias is not really clear to me because, let's start from USDGPI, then we are going through other pairs. Weekly looks actually pretty bearish. No, I'm sorry, pretty bullish, and so does today. But I just don't get why we should go up. What levels do we have to reach? We don't really have anything. Just tapped the order block right here, and then I don't know if we want to get through like all the way here. It might be because that's an all weak candlestick. It might be you want to go from here. Also, we're just reacting from this level. So what looks like to me to be the best thing to do is probably to actually be bullish USD and that would mean trying to trade this for value. If instead you want to be bearish and just targeting for this stuff that we have lower, I wouldn't do that if I were you. But if that's what you want to do, I would consider waiting for prices to get here, so manipulate a lot of these highs, and then from there you can short. And I think that's not a bad idea in the sense that, man, this level is really fucking far away from where we are at right now, the level where we want to buy. Instead, if you want to sell, that's a much more appealing level to you, simply because you have levels on the downside also, even if we just go higher. It's really a lot closer to where we are at right now, and it just looks more comfortable. But you should just focus on what the market tells you, not what you want to be told. So in this case, the market tells us we are fucking bullish. So I guess I'll just stick to bullishness like this. Instead, Euro USD, it's a bit different of a thing. When USD goes up a lot, Euro USD should go down a lot. Instead, look at the daily chart. It sucks completely. It doesn't make sense. You look at it, it technically doesn't make sense. It hasn't gone down a lot. It has already retraced to the upside while USDGPI did not. So it's really a bit of a tricky thing. I guess I'm not trading Euro USD today at all. I'm not doing that because it's not clear, not even the weekly. No. Instead, so probably we're going to trade USDGPI bullish bias and just aim for that one. I guess that's a thing. And yeah, that's probably what we'll do. Just don't get anyways. How the fuck could we go up from here? Just don't get it. Because it doesn't look good. It doesn't. Even this fucking 4 hour, how can this shit go up? Don't get it. And yeah, I'll most likely be fucking bullish on USDPI because that's what makes the most sense. We got, manipulation of the lows right there. We had to strip this, boom, manipulation of the lows. And started really fucking pumping higher so strong. So I think we'll keep on going higher. But it's also appealing to say that we are now creating a bit of this. If then we can manipulate and get there and get the short idea, then you could short. So as you can see, it's really not clear. And the same goes for XAU USD. Today, really everything doesn't look good. Because XAU USD, we were, I looked at it this morning early, really early, like before midnight, New York time. So I looked at it and it freaking was bullish. And now look at this shit. It's bearish, really strongly bearish. And we're touching back on this order block. It looks like we are respecting it, so you might as well want to be bullish because that's bullish price action right there on the previous days. That's fucking bullish price action. So of course you could be bullish, but where the hell would you be looking to buy at this order block right there? That's a bit tight, man. We already got below that shit. So where the hell would you be looking to fucking buy? Like there's not really any clear level to do that. There's this huge order block, but as we said, we just already lower than that. So really, go to stocks if you want to get long. If you want to go short, then what could you do? Well, you could only short right there, based on my strategy, of course. You could only short at this for value gap that I'm going to like right now show you. You could only short this red for value gap. This is a shame because still it needs to go really higher for you to short that shit. And yeah, so really today fucking shitty trading day. That's what it looks like. Still, I'm going to try and trade this and try to get some profit out of it. And that's just the weekly candlestick. It looks bullish for sure. It does look absolutely bullish. Daily candlestick looks really a lot bullish. I think you can get higher than this. That's what we are kind of aiming for. You know, if you could just target this one, but it means you will need to go down before. And if that happens, that's absolutely good, of course. But of course, you could be tempted, as we already said, to actually, because we are in a box right now, we're just ranging. If then price gives you like something like this movement, like if then price gives you this, then of course you're tempted to fucking short it. But that's kind of not what you should do. I think I'm just going to wait for actually go long and see if we can get that trade. Just looking at USD think I'm gonna do that, yeah. And no, I'm not trading anything else because everything else kind of looks shit on this watch list. Then of course there are other things, but I'm not trading those on a daily basis, so I really don't know. And no, really, I think that's it. Like that's kind of what to get. If you just want to like get a look at the Nasdaq, I think that's yeah. I never look at this anyways. No, weekly is absolutely bearish. Yeah, it is. You want to just fill this with value. Yeah. Daily instead fucking sucks. Yeah. And it just manipulate this. Then some people could think about it going higher. I wouldn't. Oh, anyways, Nasdaq tells us nothing. This video has been a bit longer than usual. I'm sorry for this. Anyways, what like you close the video, you know that today is not the best trading day to trade if you are new, because it's a trading day where a lot of new traders will get fucking eaten by the market. Anyways, if you want to follow my opinion, wait for the 5 minute market strategy shift at this value gap and see if that happens. If that doesn't happen, perfectly fine. You're not trading today. That's still fucking perfect. And if you don't feel comfortable, risk a little less. Anyways, thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.